Hello viewers, welcome to Cizio Farms, and today we'll be disking the maize field that we plan to irrigate. So the disking is underway. So yeah, so we'll see how this work goes. And all right, so right now we're just trying to adjust the discs so that they can be a little bit aggressive. Zega, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Just removing the water. There was some wire in the field, so we just got entangled with this.
The disc has just been tied up with this wire here that was in the field, so we're just trying to have it removed.
Just doing the disking. The farming business, it's always like this. That's a tank, and this is an extension, quite big. And there's John driving the tractor, and the sun looks, oh, the dirt, sorry, looks good. This is also the other side. And here there's some kind of a drainage, a big something like a dam. Yeah, and probably will convert this into a dam. Yeah, so it needs cleaning. Yeah. mpaka wapi? Acha kukopempa kuna kuja kulisamyo. Ukutenga kuna kulisamyo. Future.